guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another styling video. I've been missing this type of videos so much, so I have decided to film one, even though maybe you're not in the mood for hauls or for shopping. Honestly, I've been missing shopping, and online shopping is so handy right now for me. So this is what I did. I just placed an order on ASOS. It's been a while from my last ASOS order and from my last ASOS haul. I think this is my first ASOS haul, to be honest. If I remember well, I think I've never done an exclusively ASOS haul. I did some videos with ASOS items, but it wasn't like a full ASOS order. I don't know why lately I wasn't in a mood to browse on ASOS. I've been more attracted to other websites like Zara or H&M. Usually I prefer to go and shop on ASOS when they have some sales going on, because they have really good deals when the sales are on, and they have plenty of items that are not gonna be unfashionable or, I don't know, out of style. I was super excited when I've got this package. It's a big ASOS box, and I will unbox it here with you. I'm also gonna be doing a styling part, even though it's not gonna be a really complicated styling because we are still staying in. I just had a really small sneak peek, but I didn't open it yet. I wanted to do this with you, so let's do it. Okay, yeah, I was too excited about this one. Yeah, I was super into this color. Lilac is a really popular color right now for spring, I guess. And I wanted to have a really oversized version. That's why I ordered two hoodies. But these are coming oversized anyway, so you don't really have to do what I did. This hoodie is super big, so I will keep only the one that is in size medium. Actually, I wanted to order two pieces because I was hoping that I will make my husband to wear one, but he doesn't really like the color. That's why I have decided to drop it, and I will just send back the size large. The fabric feels really good, and because we are staying so much inside, I wanted to invest in a really nice hoodie. A really lovely clothing piece will make you feel better. It's always happening in my case, so I guess you will feel the same if you will try to wear some clothing pieces that you actually love. I will try this one on for you. Let me show you. Okay. I absolutely love this color. It's super large, but this is how I like it when I'm staying inside. I'm always ordering really big clothing pieces because I'm always feeling more comfortable. This hoodie for sure I will wear a lot. I like the details here, like so. Yeah, let me show you the full look right now. I think this was my favorite item. Let's move on. This sweatshirt was looking really lovely in the pictures. Reminded me of LA and Venice Beach, that kind of vibe. It's kind of a vintage style sweatshirt. I'm gonna change it up and I will show you how it looks like on. Okay, so another super big sweatshirt. I really love the fit of this one. It's super comfortable, easy to wear. Yeah, I actually miss LA so much, and that's why I wanted to buy this one. If I have colored clothing pieces, I prefer to have them in blue or in pink, so light blue works a lot for me. I'm super into this one as well. This is the type of clothing that I'm wearing inside. These days are kind of in between spring and summer. Some days are chilly, some days are super warm, so I do prefer to have some sweatshirts nearby. This is kind of my inside uniform, if you know what I mean. And I will show you right now the full picture. let's move on to the next item. I know what are these. Because as you all know, right now, if you are going out, it's recommended to protect yourself with masks and gloves and also with glasses or sunglasses. I have ordered 2 pairs of glasses that are covering enough. Yeah, you see? You are not too exposed when you are shopping, if you know what I mean. I have one more pair. Let me see this one. Yeah, these ones are better. These are like the kind of glasses that are worn by doctors. I think these are fine. So yeah, I bought actually these 2 pairs because I wanted to have something when we are going to do the grocery shopping. As you know, the virus is spreading through the eyes as well, so it's recommended to wear this type of big glasses, and these ones are just perfect. You can actually see when you are inside, and I quite like the shape. Yeah, I think I will keep these ones, and these were actually in sales. Everything I bought was in sales, but these ones are like super cheap, maybe £3 or something like this. I will leave you the link in the description box. Oh yeah, call me crazy, but I like to shop knits this period of time because they are so cheap, and these are always stylish. When the cold season is coming, these are the perfect choice. I found this one, it's from River Island. If you are buying this one in season, I think you will find it at least at a double price. So I wanted to buy it. I'm sure I will wear it for a long time because I'm wearing this type of tops. Here it's written love, I guess, yes, and it's super simple, but I love the quality. Let me try it on. Okay, my hair doesn't look that good anymore. Yeah, it looks perfect. The fitting is really good. And I think I'm ready for winter again. I'm just joking, but this type of item will always pass the test of time, and it looks so nice. It feels really good. I love the details here. As you can see, it has on both sides these buttons. These are really cute, so I'm really happy with this purchase. Even though it's not the season for this type of things, I would suggest you to go and have a look in the sales section because you might find some really nice things there. I'm super happy with this purchase. I forgot about this. I keep trying to start working out again while I'm staying home, but it's super unmotivating and super hard to push myself in that direction. But if there is something it always works for me is some new activewear item. In this case, I have decided to motivate myself with this top, really nice for workout. I will go and try to see if it fits me. I don't know if it's good for me, but I will have a look. As I can see, is the size extra small, so I'm pretty sure it's not good, but the fabric feels so nice. I'm gonna go to have a look if it works for me, but I'm really sure it's not gonna be working. One sec. No, not a chance. This is not good for me, but I hate when this is happening. I just hate when I gain some weight and nothing fits me, but yeah, I will just say pass on this one. But I do have plenty of activewear anyway. Lately I've been doing a collaboration with Fabletics on my Instagram account, so I'm planning to show you those items as well because the quality is incredible. And yeah, what else do I want to say? This is kind of it. I hope you are doing alright there. Let me know in the comment section what are you doing these days, how are you spending your time, and how does your day-to-day life look like right now, because mine is super chill at the moment, really chill. I'm online shopping a lot, and yeah, this is kind of it. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I have to do the Instagram account and the comment winner. One sec. Okay, this thing with the Instagram account will be really tricky because I have plenty of new accounts that I'm following, and I'm super excited because I just hit the 8K on my Instagram, and I want to thank you to all of you. I'm posting more often there, so it makes a lot of sense just to go and follow me because you will see more content from me on Instagram at the moment. Sometimes I'm getting inspired to do videos, sometimes I'm doing photos. The Instagram account of the week will be an unusual kind of choice for this section, but I will give a shout out to Leah because I really love her mood board. Her feed is kind of a mood board. It's so inspirational, and this time when we are staying inside, I think it's really easy to be inspired by her pictures because she has like a lot of details in her pictures. These are kind of minimal pictures, but she's playing a lot with lights, with shadows. You might want to have a look. I will leave you her account here. She is also engaging a lot with my content, and that's why I have discovered her. Also, for my comment winner, I'm gonna give a shout out. It will be this one. Okay, this is it with this video. I hope you enjoyed this short and quick ASOS haul. More hauls are coming in the near future, but I have no idea when the delivery is coming. I wanted to do a bigger haul, but I have decided to do this one anyway, even if I don't have too many items to show you. I hope you will understand. But anyway, more hauls are coming on the channel. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please follow me from now on Instagram as well, because I'm trying to do more content on Instagram this period of time. I will see you at the next video. Stay in touch. Bye guys.